Hi guys, so I'm back with another unboxing and I am super excited about this one. This is my Oura ring. It's like a step tracker, like a Fitbit or the Apple Watch or something like that. It's more towards activity and stuff like that. But when I heard Oura ring was getting together with Gucci, I got the Oura ring Gucci. So, comes with this little bag. I don't know what it's for, but anything that says Gucci that comes from Gucci, I love. Yes, I've already opened it. It did come wrapped with this little Gucci bow, which I'm going to reuse maybe in my planner or somewhere for sure. And then it came in this cute little Gucci Oura box. Now, if you don't know what Oura is it's a ring that tells you your heart level, your activity rate, tracks your sleep. It does your oxygen, which I heard that they're having some problems with that. So we'll see. Right now, it's currently not. I can't seem to find it on the program. Everything is on your phone. Like I said, it'll show you your steps, but it's all in a ring. So it's not a watch. And it's made by Gucci. So you want to see it? Here's the box. Here's the literally like the non-instructions in every language, and this is what it looks like. That's the charger. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I am so in love with this. This is the charger. You only have to charge it like once a week, and I wear it all the time. I do the dishes with it. I take it off maybe if I'm using bleach, but that's about it. So here's the charging stand. Very sleek, right? Can you see the Gucci? You can see the Gucci here. Well, there it is, right there. And I bought it directly from Gucci because I don't trust anyone. So there's that, and then this is the ring. It is 18 karat gold, I believe. It's a very light, and this is a very small amount of gold. It does say Gucci in the G's. I don't know if you can see that. And then it also says Gucci with the black on black with the real gold trim. Anyway, they say you're supposed to wear it on this finger, which I do. And then you just take it off and sit it on here. It charges like maybe once a week. Put it back on. It has little bumps on the inside, which are like the electrodes that are like the same that are on the Apple Watch. It's very comfortable. I hope I got the right size. Now, my fingers are a little chubby right now, so I'm hoping that they don't get any smaller because this is kind of barely staying on. Now, I probably could switch it to this one, but it feels a little uncomfortable because now it's a thick ring. Here, see, my fingers can still go together. It only has a 2-year warranty on it, so I wasn't so worried about, you can't have it resized or anything. So I'm sure if you got your size wrong, that they'd be happy to replace it for you. But I got the size right, I think. It's perfectly, maybe could be a little tighter. But I didn't want to go down a whole size. The sizing is you should talk to someone from Gucci or from Oura to get the correct sizing. This is a Gucci 9, I believe. So what I want to say about it is I love that I don't have to wear a watch, that I have to take off every time I wash my face and all that stuff. This I just can leave on all the time. It's less intrusive than a watch. I love the design in that it's Gucci. I love this. Just the bouginess of it all is really all I needed. The software is great. It keeps track of your optimal sleep. It tells you when you're ready. It tells you when you should relax. It gives you your sleep hours. It tells you what kind of sleep you got. You can put in exercises. I mean, it's a full tracker for that sort of thing. But it is on your phone, so I can't look on here and say, oh, what's my heart rate? like you could on a watch. Or what are my steps? You have to go through your phone. So that is kind of a bummer. But where would they put it? I wouldn't want it on the ring anywhere. So I'm willing to sacrifice that convenience for having this beautiful little ring that has worked absolutely amazing. It tells you how many calories you've burned. It picks up, like if you go on a walk, instead of like the iWatch where, you know, you'd be coming back from the walk, and the watch would say, oh, I see you're on a walk. It's like, yeah, I'm done. Now this, it records it, and then when it's done, it marks it as a walk based on your intensity level, and it'll learn over the first 2 weeks that you wear it. So it will keep getting better and better and better. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about this Oura ring, now they have other ones. This one was $950, but they have just the Oura rings, and they're black, gold, silver, I think titanium, and they're like right around $300. So if that's something that you're interested in, it is called Oura ring, Oura. This one just happens to be made by Gucci, and I was willing to pay for the name because I'm a label whore. So if you enjoyed it, or you have any questions about this step tracker, weight tracker, activity tracker, sleep tracker, all of that stuff, leave it in the comment below, and I'd be more than happy to tell you as much as I know about it. Currently, I am loving it. I don't think I will go back to a Fitbit or an Apple Watch at this moment, because I'm absolutely loving this ring. It's so, so cute. Tell me what you think. Do you have an Apple Watch? And if you do you like it? Or do you have a Fitbit? I'm interested to know what you think, and you know, if you would try something like this. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And once again, please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, maybe a thumbs up. It all really helps my channel. And I'm really trying to get up to 200 subscribers this month. So please, please, please subscribe. Please, I would really appreciate it. I'm begging here. Okay, thanks for staying to the end. Have a great day. Bye.